River and Ray here. We're fixing to go hiking in North Cheyenne Canyon Park. Whew, it's a bit of a hike. If you're respectful, you carry your trash off the mountain. Don't leave it there. Alright, break's over. We're gonna go up there. Suddenly laziness sets in. So there's some kind of animal over there we can hear. We don't know what it is. It doesn't sound small like a bird.
Chipmunk.
That was an intense hike, a little short, but you know, not bad.
It was fun.
Yeah, I think it was better than last time.
You didn't push me off the mountainside this time.
Yeah, it wasn't quite as steep. I did get to launch the drone, only for like a minute or two, but that should be some pretty decent footage. So,
Oh yeah. Found a cute little bridge.
Yeah, that was an adorable bridge. So now we're gonna pick up dinner and go home. Woo.
I will pee on the side. I will pee on your tire. Is that really necessary?
What the